Hi and welcome. It's Megan here. Welcome back to another vlog. I just finished putting on my makeup for today. I don't have on my lip combo because I'm drinking my coffee, so I like to put on my lipstick and stuff and gloss afterwards just so I don't get it all over the mug. And so my lip combo can be fresh to go throughout the day. But yeah. I'm getting ready to sit and journal on the balcony and just relax a little bit into my morning routine. Right now it's 7:19. I like to leave at about 7:45 to head to work. So I actually finished my makeup a little early. I'm putting on my lip combo. Let's see. So it's 3 steps to my lip combo. This is the MAC Chestnut Liner, the Juvia's Place lipstick in the color Muted, and then this Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the shade Stone. I feel like this gloss is a very similar color to my Fenty gloss, the kind of nude color that she has, so I really like it. But this one I think is only like $7, and you know, the Fenty gloss is way more. So when I want to splurge, I get the Fenty one, but if I don't want to splurge, I really like this one. So there is my lip combo. Very simple. It's almost like a nude color. I wear it pretty much every day, and I actually get lots of compliments on it, so I figured I'd share. I've had a few people ask me about it, so this is what it is. It'll work with any brown liner, any kind of nude lipstick, and any type of gloss that you like. Those are just the ones that I've been using recently. I'm back from Aldi. I took in my Trader Joe's bag, so I'll show you guys what I got really quick, just because I only got like 5 things. I saw these pepper uncured ham and cheddar things. They're like little omelet bites, so I'm gonna try those. I also saw this spinach parmesan tzatziki Greek yogurt dip, and that just sounded really good, so I was like, let's try it. And then the main reason I went in there is for cilantro. They didn't have it the other day in Trader Joe's, so I was like, I need to get it. And then last 2 things are just some hummus singles. I like putting these in my little adult Lunchables that I take to work, and they're most affordable here at Aldi. And then some liquid egg whites, because those are most affordable at Aldi too. So I try to remember to get them when I come. So that's it. That's all I got. I literally only went here because I needed cilantro. So now we can go home, and it's Tuesday, so we're doing Taco Tuesday. I changed into my lounge set. It's the same one that I had from Amazon in blue that I was wearing in the last video. For my vanity, I ordered a vanity stool. I've actually already opened it, but I wanted to show you guys on camera what I got before I put it together. The legs, they're like little gold legs. Go with the rest of the apartment. And then here is the seat cushion. Let's take it out the plastic. Rip me out the plastic. I've been acting brand new. All right, I'm sorry. I don't know where that came from. But I got this like cream color. Ooh, and then you can see like the ribbed material. And then you put the little feet on the bottom, the legs. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so this is the stool. I would go sit it at my vanity, but it's kind of a mess right now. So we're gonna go clean it off and then we can sit the stool at it. Oh, I should have tested out the stool to make sure it's good. Okay, it's good. That I've cleared off the top, I just need to like spray it and wipe it down, dust it off, and then we can clear out and stuff in here. I've just been putting like random stuff in here, so yeah. Here is the acrylic kind of container that I got from Marshall's that I showed. Was it in the last video? So I have decided I am gonna keep this. So let me open it. Okay, it's just acrylic. So this is how I'm gonna start with arranging them for now. I did this size, the 4 of them, and then the kind of bigger one and the 3 little ones. And then there's still these 4 pieces left that I can maybe use in another part of my apartment. All of my extra makeup in it. This is like my everyday makeup that was sitting on my bathroom counter. So I was like, I noticed I like to keep it sitting out. So I was like, I'll try this out with it just sitting like this. And then I'll put all of the extra makeup and like other things. I'll put all of that in here. And then a few months ago, I got this PR package from the Lip Bar, and I tagged her a few times and they sent me this PR package, and I almost want to keep the box, but I just feel like that's so extra. So we'll see. I'll keep this in the box for now, and then I'll get most of this stuff organized, and then we'll see what space is left over. But I just cleared out the caboodle, so that's this thing. I put all my makeup in here and all of the like lipsticks and stuff from my PR package from the Lip Bar. So this is what it's looking like. I just feel like I didn't even have that much makeup, but this begs to differ, I guess. Why are these all lip products? These right here, these 3, and this whole thing is all lip products as well. Obviously, lip products are some of my favorite pieces of makeup. Oh, my alarm's going off. They're some of my favorite parts of like the makeup. And then this is like brushes and different things. This is all just like kind of random stuff, like extra powder foundations, the little setting sprays, stuff like that. This is all eye stuff, so I've got like lashes and stuff in here, tweezers, the eyelash curlers, some mascaras, that kind of stuff is what I put in here. And then in this section, it's all like palettes and applicators and stuff. And then like one lip gloss that didn't fit. It was always really hard for me to remember my makeup was in here. And I just felt like it enclosed it. This is really nice if for like storage and you like don't use it. So I've had this probably since I was like, I don't know, 13. I've had this a long time. The little caboodle, I've had this a long time, okay? I think it's time to finally let it go, because I've always wanted to be one of those people where all of my makeup is in reach, because for the most part, if I don't want the makeup, if I don't have it like close to me, I'm not going to use it. Like this little makeup palette from Juvia's Place, I think I showed it when I was putting the stuff in here. I've literally never used this. I mean, that's partially because I don't wear eyeshadow all the time, but also it's mainly because it's been locked away in here. But see, now it's like in use, so like maybe I'll do some eyeshadow looks. Like it's so pretty. Let me show you. That's just really pretty. I honestly love some of the Juvia's Place stuff. I've tried quite a few things. It's perfect. Oh my gosh. What? Why does my makeup look-key still look good? Okay. Sitting at my Vanity. Look at that Juvia's Place gloss. That's pretty. What does that look like again? Let's try that one. If I remember correctly, I feel like I really liked it. It was like a nude. Ooh. Ooh, that's pretty. See? Look at that. That almost looks like the one I'd be wearing every day. This is what I'm saying. I have so many products and I never get to, I always forget I have them. So now this is gonna be great. Tacos, 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 tacos. I'm going to make little street tacos. And I saw that you can make them with like flank steaks. So I got this one from Trader Joe's, and then I'll just cut it up and make, I guess, carne asada tacos. I've got the corn tortillas. I've got some onion, and then I also have some cilantro that I got earlier. My steak just finished cooking. I'm letting it sit for a second. And then I'm gonna cut it up and make my tacos. I've cut up the limes, got the cilantro, and then I got the onion already cut up because team too much, okay? And then I think I have some salsa verde in the fridge. Oh, that's the other ingredient. But I was like, you know what? I really want to do a margarita. So I got some tequila. This is the Hacienda 3 Campanas or Campanas. I got this from Mexico a couple of years ago when my mom and I went. We were like, oh, let's get tequila souvenir. So it's cool. It's, you know, tequila's not my favorite. I really just like margaritas. So, but the juice that I've been drinking recently is this Trader Joe's organic strawberry lemonade. Let me tell you, this stuff, it's delicious. And it's low-key healthy. Because look, listen to the ingredients. Y'all tell me if you think it's healthy, okay? Water, organic cane sugar, organic strawberry puree, organic lemon juice concentrate, organic lemon juice, organic vegetable juice for color, and organic natural flavors. It's healthy. Everything's organic. I'm just kidding. I know it's not healthy for real, but it's delicious. If you have a Trader Joe's near you, if you like strawberries and you like lemons, it's kind of tart. I recommend. So I'm gonna make me a little margarita out of this. I'm probably just gonna do a little bit of tequila because I do have to work tomorrow and I do need to wake up to go, but yeah, I just wanted to share what stuff I'm using. Let's taste. Oh, they turned out so good. They're so cute. I'm so excited. All right, so now I'm gonna do a little taste test. Oh, let me squeeze my lime on it. Whoop. There you go. Yay. All right. I can't pick it up. There we go. Okay. Next time, I'll try heating up the tortillas in the skillet with like butter or something like that. Because I think they said that makes them a little bit softer and stuff like that. As they're breaking. I feel like they always break though. That's why some people do 2 tortillas, but they're good. Like the steak turned out actually really good. I can't remember if I said what I seasoned it with, but I just used the steak seasoning. McCormick's, I think, is the McCormick's steak seasoning. I can't remember. Montreal. The McCormick's Montreal steak seasoning. That's this. And then some garlic powder and some cumin. That's what I use to season the steak. And then I tried to cook it medium, so it's still like a little reddish pink. Typically when I get my steaks, like if I go out somewhere, I'll do like medium rare. So, but you know, I was cooking it myself, so I was like, let me make sure I cook it, you know? I don't really cook steak all the time, which is funny because I actually love steak. I'm like, I know a lot of people are like, oh, I don't eat beef or pork. It's bad for you. I don't like it. I'm not that person. I absolutely love beef and pork. I love a good steak. I love sausage. I love a good pork chop. I love all that stuff. It's not good for me though, so I try not to make it too much. But I love those things. But yeah, I'm gonna go relax, eat my tacos and watch TV and relax. It's Taco Tuesday. I'm in such a good mood. Tacos always make the mood better.